Namaste everyone. In the last class we discussed about vital statistics. What is vital statistics? Vital statistics is the science of vital events. Vital events means events occurring in human life such as births, deaths, in between that marriages, migration, adoption, everything. So the events, these events we are collecting in terms of numbers. This is called as vital statistics. Then we saw the sources of vital statistics, registration method and census enumeration method. Then we saw what is fertility, fecundity, different types of fertility rates, then reproduction rates, everything. What is fertility? Fertility refers to births occurring to women of childbearing age. Childbearing age is in between 15 to 49. Then we saw different measures of fertility. Then we saw reproduction rates also, net reproduction rate and gross reproduction rate. Today we are going to discuss about mortality, just opposite of fertility, mortality. So mortality. Fertility refers to births occurring to the women of childbearing age. Similarly, mortality refers to deaths, deaths occurring in the population. Deaths may be due to several reasons such as old age or sickness or due to accident, etc. Deaths may occur. So mortality refers to deaths occurring in the population. So similar to fertility rates, mortality rates are there. There are 6 mortality rates. First one is crude death rate. Crude death rate or CDR. Second one is age specific death rate. Age specific death rate ASDR. Third one is standardized death rate. Standardized death rate STDR. Next, neonatal mortality rate. NMR. Maternal mortality rate MMR, and last one is infant mortality rate. IMR. So there are 6 mortality rates. First one is crude death rate or CDR. Second one is age specific death rate ASDR. Third one is standardized death rate STDR. Fourth one is neonatal mortality rate NMR. Fifth one is maternal mortality rate MMR. Last one is infant mortality rate IMR. So first we will discuss about crude death rate. So first, mortality means what? Mortality refers to deaths occurring in the population. Deaths may be due to several reasons such as old age or sickness or due to accidents, etc. Then usually death rate is high among old age people and among infants also. Infants also it is a bit high, similarly for among old age also. So first mortality rate, that is crude death rate. Crude death rate or CDR. This is similar to crude birth rate. Crude birth rate means what? Births occurring to 1000 population. Similarly, crude death rate means average number of deaths occurring to 1000 population. So, crude death rate is defined as the average number of deaths occurred to 1000 population. All the individuals we are taking here, both men population and women population. So, CDR is defined as the average number of deaths. Average number of deaths occurring to 1000 population. So, the formula is CDR equal to average or total number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. Remember, all the vital events we are calculating per 1000 population. So, CDR equal to total number of deaths or average number of deaths. Total number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year average population in the year into 1000. Remember the formula now itself. CDR equal to total number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. Simply we can write this one as a total number of deaths. Deaths we are denoting by D divided by average population we are denoting by P into 1000. So, CDR equal to D divided by P into 1000. This is the formula to calculate CDR. Similar to CBR. In the CBR we are calculating the births. In CDR we are calculating the deaths. So, CDR equal to total number of deaths occurring in the year divided by average population in the year into 1000. Then what may be the merits of this CDR? Actually, first merit means it is easy to understand and simple to compute or calculate. So, if we know the total population and total number of deaths, we can compute this CDR. It does not require the complex details like age and sex composition. So, one merit of CDR is it is easy to understand and simple to calculate. Second one, it does not require the age and sex composition of the population. Then third one is it shows or it indicates the rate of decrease of population due to deaths. So, that are the three merits of CDR. First one is easy to understand and simple to calculate. Second one, it indicates a rate of decrease of population due to deaths. Third one, it does not require the age and sex composition of the population. Then what may be the demerits? Demerits, first one, it does not indicate, it takes into consideration both men and women population. It does not, age composition we are not taking here. That is one demerit of CDR. One demerit means it does not, it takes into consideration both men and women population. Second one, for comparing the mortality of different populations, we can't use this CDR. CDR can't be used for comparing mortality of different populations, because here we are not taking age composition, everything, sex composition also we are not taking here. Both men population and women population we are taking. That is one demerit. Then problems based on CDR. See, first question, the population of a town was 1,60,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. Calculate CDR. These are simple problems usually asked for 2 marks. See, first question, the population of a town was 1,60,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. Calculate CDR. So, what and all given? Directly everything given here. Population is given, how many deaths occurred in the given year, it is also given. So, we have to calculate CDR. Just write the formula. First given total population. Population is denoted by P. Population is given 1,60,000. Then number of deaths also given. Deaths D equal to 800. So CDR equal to, first we have to write the formula. CDR equal to number of deaths occurred in the given year divided by average population in the year into 1000. So simply we can write like this, number of deaths denoted by D divided by average population is denoted by P into 1000. D equal to number of deaths how much? 800 divided by population is 1,60,000 into 1000. By 20 something. Answer is 5. That is 5 deaths per 1000 population. See, remember the units. Units of CDR is 5 deaths per 1000 population. Deaths per 1000 population. Similarly, what is CBR? CBR births per 1000 population. Here deaths per 1000 population. Next, second question. Sometimes see here everything given directly. Which one? Population given. Similarly, how many deaths? In some problems, CDR may be given. Similarly, population is given. We have to find the deaths. Any two will be given. We have to find the third one. So some problems, such problems may be asked. See the second question. In a year, the CDR for a population of 3 lakh is 8. Find the number of deaths. So see the question first. In a year, the CDR for a population of 3 lakh is 8. What and all given? Find the number of deaths. So first given CDR is given. CDR equal to 8. Population also given. We have to find the number of deaths. So given CDR equal to, CDR is 8. Then population also given. Population equal to 3 lakh. We have to find the number of deaths. How much? Same formula. In the same formula, some 2 are given. We have to find the third one. So CDR equal to, we know that CDR equal to number of deaths divided by total population into 1000. Deaths given, CDR also, sorry, deaths we have to find, CDR given, population also given. So just compute CDR equal to 8, substitute the values. Number of deaths we have to find divided by population is 3 lakh into 1000. So these three will go. Then number of deaths equal to, we have to cross multiply here, so that the answer will be number of deaths equal to 8 into 300. So that is 2400. That much deaths. So number of deaths equal to 2000. So such questions may be asked for 2 marks. Sometimes CDR, all the data given we have to find CDR, just direct problems. Sometimes 2 will be given, we have to find the third one, same formula. So we can find like this. Next 5 marks question, CDR. So calculate CDR. So this much given, age is given, then population, then deaths. So how to find CDR for such question? See, this is asked for 5 marks. So what is the formula to find CDR? CDR equal to total number of deaths or average number of deaths divided by average population into 1000. So total number of deaths total we have to calculate, divided by then population total into 1000. This one itself average population, no need to find another one. This one, this itself is average population. Average population's total we have to calculate. So this, suppose this is the question, means first we have to find total population, then total number of deaths, then CDR formula. So this one, this total is population total is 1,20,000 and deaths total is 3640. So CDR equal to total number of deaths divided by average population into 1000. So CDR equal to total number of deaths divided by average population into 1000. That is, deaths is 3640 divided by 1,20,000 into 1000. Answer is 30.33. So this question usually asked for 5 marks. CDR, compute CDR, age may be given, then population, then deaths. So just find the total of population and total of deaths, then apply the formula CDR equal to deaths divided by population into 1000. So total number of deaths this much, total population is 1,20,000 into 1000. Answer is 30.33. You have to write the units. What is the unit? This much deaths per 1000 population. This much, 30.33 deaths per 1000 population. So what is the meaning of this? Per 1000 population this much deaths occurred or occurring, 30.33. So that is the simplest measure of mortality. First one, CDR or crude death rate. Crude death rate over, crude death rate is it is defined as the average number of deaths occurring in the year per 1000 individuals. Here both we are taking both men and women population. This is the general or the simplest measure of mortality. Then merits means first one, it is easy to understand and simple to calculate. Second one, it does not require the age and sex composition of the population. Third one, it indicates the rate of decrease of population due to deaths. Then demerits means it does not take into consideration the age and sex composition of the population. Then the second one, for comparison purpose we can't use this CDR. So it is not a, because here we are not taking age and sex composition here. So it is not a good measure of mortality for comparing the mortality of two or more populations. So next one is age specific death rate. Here we are not considering the age composition. So to overcome that demerit, one more method of mortality introduced, that is age specific death rate. Second one, age specific death rate. So as the name indicate, what may be age specific death rate? See, we saw one of the demerit of CDR is it does not take into consideration age composition of the population. Deaths occur more among old age and among infants. Sometimes infants due to ill health or lack of medical facilities and all, infants also die. Similarly, old age people. That fact we are not considering in crude death rate. Here we are taking all age composition. So here to overcome that demerit, second one introduced age specific death rate. So age specific death rate means it is the death rate for a specified age group of people. So ASDR equal to formula is, or ASDR means it is the average number of deaths occurring in the specified age group in a year to 1000 population. Which 1000 population we are taking? 1000 population of that specified age group into 1000. So ASDR equal to number of deaths or total number of deaths occurring in the year in the specified age group divided by total number of people, total number of population in that specified age group into 1000. So ASDR equal to age specific death rate equal to number of deaths occurring in the year in the specified age group divided by total number of population in that specified age group into 1000. So what may be the merits? Merits, first one, it is also easy to understand and simple to calculate. A specified age group, we can take any population. Suppose I am taking for 40 to 59. Specified age group is this one. 40 to 59 means ASDR for age group 40 to 59 is number of deaths occurring in the year in the age group 40 to 59 divided by total number of population in that age group, 40 to 59 into 1000. That is ASDR. ASDR we can calculate for any number of any age group, particular age group. Then what may be the merits? First one, it is also easy to understand and simple to calculate. Second one, it takes into consideration the age composition of the population. Here we are considering the age composition. Then one more thing, ASDR is used in the computation of STDRs, standardized death rate, next coming, then life tables, net reproduction rate, etc. There we are taking this ASDR. Then demerits means, first demerit means for comparison purpose, it is not a single quantity. So for comparison purpose, we cannot use this ASDR, because ASDR we can compute for any age group. Take this problem itself. See, ASDR for the age group 10 to 19 means number of deaths occurring in the age group 10 to 19 divided by total number of population in that age group into 1000. That is 240 divided by 10,000 into 1000. Similarly, ASDR for 20 to 39 is 1250. Number of deaths occurring in the year in the population 20 to 39 divided by that population in that specified age group, that is 50,000 into 1000. We are getting quantities here. It is not a single number. So it does not represent the mortality of a population. So it cannot be effectively used for a comparison of two or more populations, mortality rates of two or more populations. So next problems based on this ASDR. First problem, compute ASDR. Compute ASDR, age specific death rate. First age composition is given, then population is given, next deaths given, number of deaths. Age less than 10, 10 to 19, 30 to 39, greater than 50. Population 30,000, 20,000, 25,000, 8,000, 2,500, 2,000. Here number of deaths 150, 125, 70, 25, 30. So how to find ASDR? ASDR means see what and all given, age given, then population is given, number of deaths occurred in that population given. So ASDR means number of deaths. For each age group we have to find ASDR. They didn't ask which age group. So we have to compute ASDRs for all the age groups. First age group less than 10, number of deaths occurred 420. 420 divided by number of population in that age group into 1000. Similarly, number of deaths occurred in the age group 10 to 19 divided by average population in that age group 10 to 19 into 1000. Similarly, number of deaths occurred in the age group 20 to 29 divided by average population in that age group 20 to 29 into 1000. Like that we are doing. Don't do in the question itself, we have to do separately. For the time being I am doing here only. ASDR. First one is 420 divided by 30,000 into 1000. Answer is 15. Similarly, second one is 150 divided by 20,000 into 1000. Third one 125 divided by 25,000 into 1000. 70 divided by 8,000 into 1000. 25 divided by this one into 1000. 30 divided by this one into 1000. So answer will be first one, second one 7.5, next 5, next 8.75, 10, 15. This is ASDR. You have to write the formula. We calculated ASDRs here, but we didn't write the formula. You have to write the formula also. What is ASDR? ASDR equal to age specific death rate equal to number of deaths occurring in the year in the specified age group divided by average population in that specified age group in the year into 1000. So we computed ASDRs here. We have to write the formula. ASDR equal to number of deaths occurring in the year in the specified age group divided by average population in that specified age group in the year into 1000. So sometimes they may ask only one to calculate only one ASDR. Calculate the ASDR for the age group 30 to 39. They may ask. Then 40 to 49. They may ask sometimes. So in that case you have to find only that ASDR. So for first one, second one, which and all they asked, just compute that only. This is if they didn't mention any age, then you have to compute all the ASDRs. So ASDR means number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in that specified age group into 1000. Next another problem. Another problem. From the following data, compute ASDRs for age group 5 to 64. Only compute ASDR. Age then population, age, population, then deaths. Age less than 5, then 5 to 14, 15 to 64, $12,500, 3,000. Here 135, 40, 75, then 126. So they asked compute ASDR for the age group 5 to 64. They didn't tell to find all the ASDRs, just 5 to 64. 5 to 64, what is the formula? Number of deaths occurring in the year in the age group 5 to 64 divided by average population in the year in the age group 5 to 64 into 1000. So number of deaths in the age group 5 to 64, we have to add these two divided by average population in the age group in that age group 5 to 64, we have to add these two into 1000. So ASDR formula you have to write. ASDR for the age group 5 to 64 equal to total number of deaths occurring in the year in the age group, which age group? 5 to 64. to 64 divided by total population in that specified age group. That specified age group is 5 to 64 year. To 64 into 1000. So 5 to 64, 2 are there, 5 to 64 means 40 plus 75 divided by 10,400 plus 12,500. If only one is asked means 5 to 14 means 40 divided by 10,400. Here they asked 5 to 64. So it is from 5 to 64 we have to add these two, and in the denominator these two we have to add. So it is from 40 plus 75 divided by 10,400 plus 12,500 into 1000. Into 1000. Answer is these two you have to add, 40 plus 75 divided by these two you have to add into 1000. Answer is 5.0218. You can write the units also, that much deaths. No need here actually, that much deaths occurred in the population in that age group. Which one? 5 to 64 per 1000 individuals of that age group. So that is the unit. No need to write the unit here since this is ASDR. So 5.0218 deaths in the age group 5 to 64 per 1000 population of that age group 5 to 64. Next, ASDR problems clear na? Next one, standardized death rate. See one demerit. Merit is here. Merit we are taking the age composition of the population. Then next one is standardized, but one demerit here, we cannot compare the mortality rate of two or more populations because it is not a single figure. We are taking or we are getting so many figures here. It is not a single figure. So we can't, for comparison purpose, we can't use this ASDR. For comparison purpose, we have to take next one, that is standardized death rate.